Hi, Rob here from The Best Media, and I'm going to talk to you about our Webmaster services. Webmaster service from The Best Media is just like having your own staff support your website 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Our team of professionals will completely manage your website while you can focus on your business. Our Webmaster services include 100% uptime monitoring, daily website backups, security updates, WordPress updates, plugin updates, database backups, website performance monitoring, and so much more. Our clients absolutely love the stress-free website maintenance services we provide. Don't wait until your website is down and not working properly so that your business is losing clients and money. Instead, use our Webmaster services to ensure consistent, smooth operation of your website every day. For one low price, our Webmaster service is just like having your own web guy monitor your website day and night. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and like this video. Visit thebestmedia.com now so we can set up these Webmaster services for your website. Or call me directly at 416-253-0934, extension 7001, or call us toll-free 1-866-943-9626, extension 7001, and get a hold of me directly. Thank you for watching.